Get out of there.
Oh, Penny thought you meant her.
Oh, no, Penny.
She was starting to dig.
Mia.
More digging. Dig, dig, dig. Oh, there's got to be truffles in there somewhere.
What you doing, sister? Hey.
Oh, look who's digging. Oh my goodness.
What is in there?
I don't know, but all three of them have had turns digging in there. What is it? It's on her head. All her pink cheeks are brown.
Yeah.
Penny's chasing flies again. Turned soil. Lots of good smells. She really puts her back into it. Hey. Mia got it in her face. You okay? Scampers, come on, give me a break.
Gampy, what do you got? Be careful.
What a fun corner this is now.
Yeah, well, there's fresh poop sand over there.
I mean the whole corner.
Oh, it's under. Come here. Come here. No. What do you mean, Auntie Bernie?
I gotta dig, I gotta dig, I gotta dig.
Scampies.
Scampers! Scampers! What you doing? Scampers! She's not looking at the camera on purpose. Mia got it in the face again.
Oh, she's gonna get it. She's. See if she kicks it in her face. It's like when she kicks the dirt, she doesn't know where it's coming from.
She totally doesn't get that, and she's done it like a couple dozen times.
Mia, no. Leave it. Come here.
My little white chihuahua's become a farm dog.
Leave it.
She's become a farm dog.
Yeah.
Hey, hey, hey.
Dirt therapy for Auntie Bernie, too.
Yeah. Oops. Trooper, we're not doing a very good job operating the camera. Oops. She just fell in her own hole. Oh my gosh, look at your feet. You need a mani-pedi.
This is great dirt back. To be able to dig in dirt and not have to fight with roots. Are you kidding me?
She's snorting again. There must be truffles in there.
There's something.